Nifty reached all-time highs. Are we going to have a breakout to 27,000 or are we going to have a pullback to 25,300? We will discuss in this video. Hello everyone, welcome to the weekend market analysis. Today 29th November, Nifty ends this week at 26,208 and Banknifty at 59,777. See, all the levels we are discussing for almost a month or 2 months, everything has been reached, and you can see these charts. This is 26,488. Okay, and in previous video I said that, almost a month before I said that 26,175 to 26,300 is important resistance. That means the price is going to reach all-time highs. I not use that word, that's all. Okay, everything has been already expected, already predicted, right? See these charts. We expected price to decline and to move one more high, right? See, all these levels has been already discussed, and if you watch, this is where the decline and price started to move higher. See, a lot of things here. It may be an X or it may be a phi. I have explained in previous videos. So multiple combinations. The resistance comes between 26,200 to 26,370 already marked. Okay, let me change this to 26,200. Okay, so already in the resistance zone, and in the worst case 26,500. I think probably without any breakout, the price can give a pullback, and you can draw this trend line for your reference. And if the price comes below this low, 25,840 or 800, then we can expect 25,300 first. Okay, that's the minimum expectation. If it is 5 or even leading diagonal, okay, then based on the internal structure, we can expect whether the price is moving even lower to 24,300 or not. For the coming weeks, the same levels, 26,200 to 26,370 and maximum 26,500. Probably 26,300, 330, 370, all these levels are very important resistance. If there is no gap up, if there is no breakout, please listen to it. If there is no gap up or any good breakout, okay, then there are higher chances for pullback. These pullback can be negated only if the price gives a breakout. Okay, same use. So let us wait. If the price gives breakout, then we can anticipate more highs, or else the price can minimum decline to 25,300, and for that the price needs to give up this level, 25,800. Bank Nifty, same thing, multiple combinations, and most of the combinations are saying that this level is the important resistance. And we discussed in previous video that 59,650. See, 59,650 already discussed here. From here we expected 59,650, and even in previous video we said that if the price crosses above 59,650, we can expect 59,800 to 60,000. Okay, these levels I marked. Let me remove these lines. Based on the internal counts, we need to adjust the next targets. Okay, now this is the resistance. In Nifty, 26,370, 26,200 to 370, and in Nifty Bank, 60,000. Okay, the price is trading at resistance zone only. In case of price moving closing above 60,000, we can even expect 60,200, 60,300. Okay, only with the good breakout or gap up above these levels, then only we can expect more highs, or else this is resistance, and we need to see what the price doing in this resistance zone. Okay, so same levels, resistance, I primarily expect resistance. If there is no breakout or gap up, then Bank Nifty can minimum decline to 58,660. Okay, 58,600 approximately. This is possible, and based on the internal structure, we can expect deeper pullback or not. So simply, price is in resistance zone. Let us see for breakout or pullback. Okay, so this is the update for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and let us move on to the commodities. Crude oil, we discussed in previous videos. We completed the correction Z here, but if the price comes below this point, we can have Z here. But as of now, let us assume some sort of end of the correction, and if you check the hourly chart, and I think the price still moving in a channel which we drawn a couple of weeks before, maybe a week before. Okay, yes, the price still in channel. So for more uptrend, the price needs to minimum come above this channel and also should cross this previous high. Okay, so only crossing above this previous high, we can expect 62.5 and even above this point of 66. Okay, and remember, if the price comes below this low, I mean breaking below this channel and breaking below this 56, then correction not yet completed in the longer term. Okay, this is weekly chart. You can see I am analyzing that this is the end of a bigger correction. So the crude oil should move higher like this. So Z here or here. Okay, I'm completing the Z here, but let us see. In shorter time frame, use the channel and previous high for breakout. Natural gas, see how beautifully the price is moving. See, this one we discussed on 15th November, and we discussed that the price will move in sideways and the price needs to come in this zone. Okay, so what has happened? The price moved in sideways and the price exactly reached our expected zone and not even change anything. Okay, and the price reached there. So this is the support now. So what happened? The price exactly took support here and started to moving higher. See here. So here itself we know that the trend is going to stop, the trend is going to pause, and what levels the price can reach and where it can take support, everything can be identified with the help of Elliottwave. So now crossing above this previous high, natural gas can minimum reach 4.91 to 4.97, and it has the potential to even reach above $5. Okay, so this is the update for natural gas. The price needs to cross above this previous high, and first stop can be 4.91 to 4.97, and if the price cross that, we can expect 5 plus. Okay, in natural gas. See, gold and silver, this is what I discussed. See, in October, same like natural gas, it is very high fast moving price action in gold and silver, and we expected the price to stop here. See, don't expect a precise level all times, right? This is the level we marked, and we expected one more down and one more high. This is gold. Okay, this is the line we marked. Slightly the price moved higher and started to decline. Even we expected this support, and the price started to move higher right from here. See, okay, and in previous week while we're discussing the gold and silver, we said that the price, if the price comes below this point, okay, if the price comes below this point, the price can reach this zone, but the price does not come here, and the price is moving higher now. If you check the silver, the price already crossed the previous high. When the price crossing this point, I marked this 56.28, but it's almost reached now. So even in silver also, this is the chart I marked. Fast price action, it needs to decline and needs to move higher. Simply the price moving higher, and even exact level, okay, exact level we discussed and I showed in previous videos, and the price started to move higher. I think if the price crosses this zone, it can reach 58.74 and even to $60 to $61 in the coming days. Okay, this is possible, and we need to see how the price moving higher. Okay, first point is this 56.26, the price needs to cross here, then we can expect 58.7. okay, based on this zone and based on the internal structure, we can even expect 60 to 61 in the coming days, right? This is the update on gold and silver. Gold, the price needs to minimum cross above this previous high. You can draw this trend line. Yes, it is giving a breakout now, but previous high needs to be crossed, and if the previous high, this high crossed, we can expect 44382 to 4567. okay, so this is the update for gold and silver. And Bitcoin, see how magically the price moved, and this is the Bitcoin shared on 28th June. We discussed that one more high may come, and after that there is a possibility of a deeper decline, and many commented that that is not possible in Bitcoin, but you can see the price already reaches $80,000. We expected 75 to 69. Okay, if you want to read more about this, you can read my analysis report on Bitcoin, which I shared in my website. See website, okay, Magic Fibs blog, and you can read here, right? So I have explained step by step how I identified what is the process. Okay, everything I have written here. What is the idea when the price moves higher? So everything I have discussed, even what we can expect next, right? So kindly check the blog in my website, and I think the price can still come lower to touch our expectation of 75 to 69. There is a possibility. So for that, the resistance we can expect around 94,000. Okay, we need to see how the price are trading here around this zone. So 94,000 can be the resistance. If the price rejected here and comes below this point, we can expect our primary zone of 75 to 69. Ethereum, see Ethereum, this is the important line I drawn in a couple of weeks before, but the price actually breached below it. So this is very important support. Okay, this should not give up, or else the price can decline more. But still there is a chance of Bitcoin to go lower. We need to check the resistance in Ethereum also. So resistance can be between 3246 to 3345. Okay, if the price rises, this can be resistance. So the idea here is both Bitcoin and Ethereum has a possibility of one more low. Okay, another low is possible. So for that, we need to check the resistance. So this is the view on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, all this has been shared here. If you want to predict the market like this, I mean, where the trend will stop, where the sideways will come, what is the precise level of turning. Okay, see gold and silver, stocks, indices, Bitcoin, cryptos, everything. If you want to predict like this, you need to understand the market. To understand the market, you need to learn the Elliott waves, and you should learn it in its purest form, not just theory. So this is my course content. Okay, and just go through the contents. You will understand how in depth you are going to learn the Elliott waves. You can just go through the contents here. Okay, these are practical issues you are going to face in everyday trading. All will be addressed in this course, right? And for your convenience, I have divided the course into part 1 and part 2. So if you wish, you can register the entire course, or else you can register the part 1 first and you can go to the part 2. Okay, don't directly register the part 2. And if you want to learn the technical analysis, master the market, you can learn these are the contents, and you will learn 10 trading setups with a checklist. Okay, RSI, MACD, where you need to trade. See, in-depth analysis in the technical analysis itself. Easily, this course is available at more than 10K. Okay, it's already 50% off. So use this opportunity and register now and start learning today. I give all details in the description. And the most important point, the levels and opinions shared in this video are only for learning purpose. Don't take it as any kind of buy or sell recommendations. We'll meet you at the midweek market update. Thank you.